COVID-19 pandemic asida khwaidagi maru oiriba asi aikhoi mentally amadi physically strong oina leiba mathau tai haina Manipur film ge saknai raba filmmaker national awardee Borun Thokchomna impact news da fongdorakli laichat asina miyam da asuki matik awaba safu ama pibata natana saknai raba Manipur gi film artist kaya yauna miyoi kaya gi thawai manghankhre tamthiraba laichat asidagi ngak thokpa amadi hakchang fana leina ba aikhoi hotna minasi leingak na piriba SOP ngakna amadi hena Jackson Laiminasi Hairakli.
Impact TV yingriba miyam bunobu kumjari. Khoi husi COVID-19 ilaichat asine yam awawa safu miyam bunobu kapiri. When akogi film fraternity desu yamna renowned personality kaya ama COVID-19 asine laikidre. Mingwaina balabda akogi yamna luna kunjaraba akogi mentor amu maipang amu marki video na chingba kaya ama koi husi COVID-19 asine laikidre aduga kaya amna husi na aduna COVID I will like city Lirena from Makhaidana, Hoipuna Yam Jong attack toy. Aluna Hosiam the Muru is government the Pidiva, SOP is a way Pazana, not a check Bama Matotari. Who is minor for the public awareness campaign, 100 and swine hives sometimes Tani of the Odum Dong do. Who seriously when a lousy could join a Hamdopa, marks Sizinaba, sanitizer. Sizinaba duga yaimakai ko yumdagi apan thokdaba hoi yumdagi apan tholaiba singjudi 90% thawak leina tholai ni adu ban tholaga zu hoi government piriba SOP je yam strictly koi maintain tawsi aduga eligible public singna usi pawida kaptuna leiragadi yak sathu da kapiu hoi mayam urimas tonga da thazi biginu isa musu kapure aduga second dose usi kapna ba ngaiduna lei aduga Hosi COVID-19 hosi pandemic se yamna darkar laise mentally strong in the life se yamna darkar laibai na khalle ko yimi oi basi kana na rasu mentally strong aigadi wakhan na sinabu yamna kallagadi na bagi phagal ko chance hena wange haina koi renowned spiritual gurus na koi da hana dum haira lakra report amani na koi mokhan sodhagun ji aduga physically jo koi strong ji yum gi sumang or kakra da yam simple workout si ya kai koi tausi aduga government na hoji kanna initiative chang loriba aduga Doctor Singh Young One Honor Sigi Matakta Koi Saisa Yamna responsible citizen ama Oisi Eduga COVID-19 license Koi Block Manaraga Mighty PFC